Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mehak Murthy Naren. I was Mrs. Asia International First Runners Up and Mrs. Photogenic also. This contest was held in Pune on 10th of May 2014. After that, now I'll be representing India at Mrs. Planet, which will be held this month, 20th of June at Sofia, Bulgaria. To talk about like Mrs. Planet contest, they had nominated me, like there were a series of applicants which was sent to the Mrs. Planet organization, and from India I'll be representing India now. My schooling and my college, everything has been done all over India because of my dad's profession. He's a retired colonel. We belong to the defense background. And my schooling, like my 10th standard was done from Jammu Army School, and my 12th was done from Army School Devlali, Nasik. After that, I went to Chennai for my 3 years hotel management diploma degree, and I did my HR also from there. Then in the last 1 year's course of time, I did my advanced diploma in cosmetology. To get into this modeling field, I've been doing modeling since my 10th standard, and the main person behind me is my mother and my dad, of course. But my mom has been always been there as a motivational factor and an inspiration, for me to do well in this field. She always encouraged me to do, to go and participate in every pageant and every show, every ramp show, fashion show. She's been always there with me. So I think that is something which, motivated me to do well in this field. In fact, it was just the interest which was always there inside me, saying okay, fine, I want to face the camera, and I should look beautiful and show myself to the people around. So yeah, and later it became my passion now, and now my profession, in fact. So yes, as I told you, since 10th standard I've been doing it. So yes, like when I used to go for my shows, and my teachers have always supported me, like my attendance, everything was taken care. And college, yes, of course, I never did any shows, or I didn't participate in any pageant because I wanted to concentrate on my studies. So once my studies were over, then I again started my this modeling field, and I was into it, looking for other pageants, and I participated. And then 6 years I was flying with Jet Airways. So that time again you sign a bond with them, so you can't do any other ad films or ramp shows and all. But 6 years, after 6 years, I got married in 2012. So then I had again 1 year of time with me, so I thought why not to pursue this career and make it big. So that is how I entered in Mrs. Asia International. I feel beauty for me is something which comes from within. You have to be beautiful from inside. When you are beautiful from inside, it shows on your face. You have to be beautiful from your thoughts, your views, everything from within. If you're beautiful from within, then it shows outside. In Hyderabad, no, but yes, like around, I think in 2001 till 2003, in those 2 years, yes, I did modeling for Shashikant Naidu designers like Zubin Vakil, Shashikant Naidu. I did shows for them, and then I participated in 2 contests like Miss AP and Miss Hyderabad and Miss South India, which was held in Chennai. So I did that, and yeah, after that then I was busy flying. So those 6 years I didn't do anything, but then now again I started. I love working out. I love going to the gym. I love taking care of myself and dieting, gymming. I love doing that every day, like 2 hours I have to give myself that thing. And I'm very much into arts and crafts, like making things out of the waste items like plastic bottles, newspaper, the things which we throw. I like doing something out of that, some creation, some creativity. So I'm more into arts and crafts. I make, in fact, plastic flowers. Like I cut the bottles, I melt them, and then I make flowers, so that you can make floating candles. All those things I do. Nobody inspired me or anything. I love watching these YouTubes, and I'm more into those Googling things and all. So when I see something nice, I love, again making it myself. So that is how it is. In fact, I'm very creative by nature. I love beautifying things and making something look beautiful. So if I see something like that, then I really do it. My profession is different, but then for the last 1 year, I have got enough time, since my husband is from defense background. So we hardly get time to stay together. He's posted somewhere, I'm here. So this free time, I utilize it. I love doing lot of things, making all these creations, and I love keeping myself busy. I don't like just sitting idle and keep on thinking. I don't like doing all that. Yes, I feel great. It's a lovely phase that I'm experiencing now, and I've really worked hard. It's not that I've just got it. I've really worked hard towards it. So yes, my hard work has paid me. So I'm pretty happy now. Of course, I would love to continue. Now my main agenda is Mrs. Planet. I'll be going for that contest now. So I really want to give my best, do my best, represent my country, India, over there in a more beautiful way, and show them what India is. And after that, once I come back, then of course for 1 year I have to do a lot of things. So I really want to give my best. Yes, in fact, I would like to thank my parents for supporting me, my husband, who's been always there supporting me to let me do whatever I wanted to do, you know, and my ma'am, Mrs. Dipali Fadnis, and yeah, I mean, all thanks to everyone.